If you or your partner snore, then the Silentnight Anti-Snore pillow may be just what you need. Let's just plump it up a bit first, which is a good idea to do from time to time anyway. At first glance, the crisp polycotton cover and soft hollow fibre filling might make you think this is an ordinary pillow. But right there inside, there's a very clever orthopedically shaped foam core. This is designed to help you maintain a better head position for much clearer breathing and much less snoring, particularly if you sleep on your back. It's also 100% hypoallergenic to resist the dust mites that cause allergies, and is even machine washable. So if you know someone that snores, the Silentnight Anti-Snore pillow might be just the solution.